How can you properly handle displaying data that takes a long time to process? Good question. There's a couple different things that you can do that are pretty standard, like heavy data, like images. Are you can use lazy loading on. There's plenty of plugins out there if you don't want to code all that up, but lazy loading pretty much sees everything in the viewport of your screen and doesn't load anything else below the fold until you start scrolling down. And as soon as you start scrolling down, the JavaScript picks that up and sees that you're scrolling and then starts to say, hey, load these images really quickly. This person's about to be at this destination. Scroll, 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 and it loads more and more and more and more. So it's, of course, pulling in more content, but it's not pulling it all at the exact same time. That's what websites like Facebook, like Netflix do with their huge infinite library or stream of content. It's not all loaded on one page load. It's loaded as you scroll down because it knows that you're not to that content yet. Yeah. And then just being smart about your assets. I think that's pretty important. About sizes and do I really need all these images? Do I really need all this stuff? Just kind of like a house gets cluttered all the time. You got to figure out what you really need, what's super important, especially if you're having a hard time cutting down that load time.